9 out of 10 drivers are sitting on features inside their own cars that could save them money, time, and even their life, and they've never used a single one. But one of these hidden buttons, that one could literally prevent a $3,000 repair bill. So before you waste another dollar at the mechanic, here are 17 car secrets you've never been told. And trust me, number 1 will change how you drive forever. Let's start now with secret number 17. Secret number 17, the hidden key inside your fob. Imagine this. You're locked outside your car at night. Your fob is dead. Panic kicks in. But what most drivers don't realize is your key fob is hiding an actual mechanical key. Slide the little tab on the side, pull the key out, and boom, you can unlock your car the old-school way. Even better, many cars hide the physical keyhole behind a removable cover on the door handle. This tiny detail has saved drivers from pricey locksmith calls more times than you'd believe. Once you know it's there, you're never stranded. Secret number 16, the traction control trick that most drivers get wrong. That button with the squiggly line car? Yeah, the one you've never touched. Traction control keeps you from spinning out on wet or icy roads by cutting engine power and breaking individual wheels. But here's the twist. When you're stuck in snow or mud, traction control hurts more than it helps. You actually want wheel spin to get out. One quick press disables it, so you can power through and then turn it back on. Knowing this one move makes you look like the driving expert everyone calls when they're stuck. Secret number 15. Turn off lane departure warnings permanently. You know that annoying beeping that goes off when you dodge a pothole? You can silence it for good. Look for the button with the little car between 2 lane lines. Press and hold. Done. No more unnecessary buzzing every time you breathe near the lane marker. Some cars hide this in the settings menu, but once you find it, you'll wonder why you tolerated robotic nagging for years. Secret number 14. The AC button that protects your lungs. Ever get stuck behind a smoky truck? That little button with the circular arrow is your shield. Press it, and your car stops sucking in polluted air and recirculates cleaner air inside. It also cools your cabin up to 20% faster on hot days, saves your AC from wear, and keeps your air filter cleaner for longer. One button, cleaner air, faster cooling, fewer repairs. Secret number 13. The steering wheel lever no one touches. So many drivers sit hunched, stretched, or twisted, thinking that's just how their car fits. Wrong. Under the steering column is a lever that lets you tilt or telescope the wheel closer or farther. When set right, your arms stay relaxed, your airbag sits exactly where it should, and driving becomes instantly more comfortable. 40% of drivers never adjust this once. Don't be one of them. Secret number 12. The hidden sun visor extension. Driving straight into the sunrise? Flip down your visor, now slide it outward. Many visors have a pull-out panel inside that blocks those brutal side angles of sunlight. So many drivers squint for years without realizing this tiny fix exists. Before the next secret, hit that like button. It helps the channel more than you know. Done? Perfect. Secret number 11. The hazard button emergency mode. Most people hit their hazards once and walk away, but some cars have hidden hazard modes. A long press activates a distinct panic flash, making your car visible from huge distances during emergencies. Certain luxury brands even use a double tap pattern to switch to a slower fog-friendly flash. Some models blast every exterior light at full brightness during true emergencies. One button, and you're safer on the roadside than ever before. Secret number 10. The fuel cap arrow everyone ignores. Every time you pull up to a pump in a rental car and guess the wrong side, you didn't need to guess. Next to the fuel icon is a tiny arrow pointing left or right. That's the side your fuel cap is on. It's been industry standard for decades, yet half of drivers still get it wrong. Secret number 9. The fuel cap holder that prevents a $3,000 repair. Inside your gas door is a hook or notch. It's not random. It's where your fuel cap goes while you pump. Letting it hang risks debris entering your fuel system, which leads to clogged injectors, fuel pump damage, and yes, $3,000 repairs. 2 seconds of using that hook saves your engine from unnecessary pain. Secret number 8. Roll down your windows with your remote. Your car turns into an oven in summer, but many cars let you hold the unlock button on your key fob to roll down all windows before you even open the door. Some require double tap, then hold. This vents heat instantly and prevents the dangerous blast of 150 degrees trapped air. It's one of those feels like magic features nobody bothers to mention. Secret number 7. Shift lock override when your battery dies. Your car dies in traffic. You can't shift into neutral. Everyone's honking, but there's a hidden mechanical override next to your gear shifter, usually under a tiny pop-off cover. Stick your key or a small tool in, press down, and suddenly you can shift even with no power. This feature exists solely to prevent dangerous traffic blockages. Use it once and you'll never forget it exists. Secret number 6. The anti-glare mirror tab. At night, headlights in your rearview mirror can blind you. Flip the little tab at the bottom of the mirror and it switches to a dimmer reflective angle that reduces glare instantly. It's been around for decades, but millions of drivers still don't know what that tab does. Secret number 5. The dashboard snowflake warning. A tiny snowflake symbol means the temperature is close to freezing, and roads may be icy even if you can't see it. Advanced cars even change the snowflake color when it becomes dangerously cold. Car-to-car systems can share these warnings with nearby vehicles. It's basically a mini weather station built into your dashboard. Secret number 4. The glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle. Since 2002, every passenger car must have a trunk escape handle that glows in the dark. This isn't a gimmick. It was created after real emergencies where people were trapped inside trunks. Pull it once and the trunk pops open from the inside. It's simple, cheap, and it saves lives every year. Secret number 3. Hidden storage compartments thieves never find. Under seats, under the floor, inside armrests, many cars hide secret storage areas big enough for valuables, tools, or emergency items. They're discreet, camouflaged, and perfect for parking in public. Some models even include waterproof compartments. Owners go years without discovering them. Secret number 2. Speed-sensitive volume. Your music automatically gets louder on the highway and softer in neighborhoods because your car listens to road noise and adjusts volume based on speed. Most people turn this feature off by accident and never realize why their audio sounds inconsistent. Turn it back on and your drive feels smoother instantly. And finally, secret number 1. Your car locks itself when you walk away. No more "did I lock my car" moments. Many modern cars automatically lock themselves when your key moves out of range. Some let you set a delay or enable chimes and light flashes for confirmation. It protects your stuff, prevents theft, and saves you from walking back to the door every time you check the door. So, how many of these did you actually know? Drop a comment and tell me the one that shocked you most. And if this saved you money, time, or future headaches, hit subscribe. Your car is hiding even more features mechanics never mention, and the next video I linked right here might save you hundreds more.